In 2021, Ministry of Public Service came up with a human resource capital management system to automate all human resource functions, integrate with the integrated financial management system, program budgeting system, the national identification system, and the payroll deductions management system. The intention was to facilitate efficient and effective public service performance for national development. The auto-grading system led to the salary cuts of mainly cold chain technicians and planners on basis of classification.
The union made the efforts to raise all of these issues with the government with a view of amicably solving them internally, but all in vain, and no explanation has been given.
This left workers who were initially employed as scientists now placed on lower salaries like those of social workers. According to the General Secretary, Hassan Luabai, the initial plan was to put down tools, but they decided to seek legal action after government failed to honor their outcry for redress for over 3 years now.
In the circumstances, the union, being an organization which respects the rule of law, was left with no option but to proceed against the government in order to secure justice for our members who have suffered multiple injuries on account of government's failure to observe her obligation as an employer.
The affected workers are mainly cold chain workers and planners say through the legal action they want government to compensate them, have their initial salaries reinstated in line with their initial appointments, and investigate the judicial system.
That a court declares government action is illegal, unlawful, and unconstitutional, which has caused inconveniences to our members who have suffered illegal reduction of their salaries, which has incapacitated them even to serve. They cannot service their loans.
They also demand for investigations into the process of how the system came into place without supporting guidelines issued and ended up affecting the people.
It's difficult to quantify how much has been lost because this act has existed now for about around 4 years.
In August 2023, the members of local government union petitioned the Ministry of Public Service over the same issue of salary cuts.
If this is not corrected, we are not going to continue with work. We are not happy.
No one is willing to work under this condition of HCM unless it is rectified.
The auto-grading system is expected to be rolled out to over 54 districts across the country. Susan Naonga reporting for UBC TV.